Life can be so hard sometimes, break you up inside. All you want to do is cry. Shut the door and hide. Don't surrender to what was. Put your faith in what will be. Every day is a brand new start. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Giving up should never be something you decide to do. Wipe the tears from your cheek. God knows what you're going through, so don't surrender to what was. Put your faith in what will be. Every day is a brand new start, yeah. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I know it's hard, but believe it, keep trying, and it will be okay. 'Cause in your heart is the strength to survive it. You will be okay. And in no time, like the sun, you'll be shining. Just let it go away.